Hi guys, today I want to go through the installation of the Trimble Earthworks Demonstrator on your Windows PC. So Earthworks Demonstrator is an Android app, so we're gonna have to download and install Windows Android emulator, and that is called BlueStacks. I have already downloaded the new one, so let's run it and let's see how long it's going to take us to install. And if we have time, we're going to install the Earthworks Demonstrator and see where it gets us. So it's saying less than 2 minutes, which is pretty standard. So this is just so I have apparently downloaded a downloader for the BlueStacks 5, and it's downloading. So depending on your speed of the internet, this might take 2 seconds, or it might take a few minutes. As okay, so I think download has finished, and now it's checking the system requirements. So let's see. Since it is emulator, it's saying that there might be a possible conflict with the antivirus on your computer. We are about 50% there. Let's see. As we can see from the ads there, the BlueStacks 5 is supposed to be less hungry for RAM memory, so that might be actually a good thing. Yeah, so the whole install, it seems, from on let's say average internet speed, it's gonna take less than 5 minutes. Here we are about 66%, and we are about 2 to 3 minutes in, which is not that bad. Oh, I can see it's doing some registries, and I already see the BlueStacks instance manager here, so we must be close. And there is a BlueStacks, here we go, another icon. So actually gives us a BlueStacks 5 and BlueStacks 5 multi instance manager. I guess if you want to run more than one app simultaneously or something like that, I'm not sure. 93. Okay, so here is starting BlueStacks. So automatically after the installation, it's starting the BlueStacks. Let's see what we can master up here. Play full screen. Okay, Play Store, system apps. We have some games to play. Let's see if we can. Okay, so sign in. We don't want to sign in Game Center. Okay, well, there's been installation of the BlueStacks. It's doing some updates. So overall, it took just a few minutes. If you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe, comment, shoot us an email. Don't forget to check out our blog on our webpage. All the information is in the description, and we'll see you next video.